you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ready to see what's inside the mystery box?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Are you ready? Okay.
Let's open mystery box then. You want to do the honors, Dad? Go towards you. I don't want to come this way. Towards him. Ready?
Yeah.
We're going to see what's in here one thing at a time. Okay?
Wow.
Mask, here we go.
Cover address. Okay, first let's show them the box. Inside of the box.
Inside the box is baggies.
Let's see how many things we got.
Oh, see this?
We have 1, 2, 3,
3, 4.
4,
Is it over here?
5, 6. I already know what this is. 7
Mask?
shoes. 8. Oh, that's a good amount. I think it was only supposed to come with 6 or 7.
It's on the bottom, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now we can pick one.
This one.
That
Do
one?
the honors, ma'am.
Rip it up.
Let's see. What is
Who's
it?
it from?
Oh, they didn't cover it. Shh! Don't say their names.
Oh, okay.
They're supposed to spray paint it.
Yeah,
Just to cover it up.
Let's see what it is.
What it is?
Yeah.
2XL. It says. I think it's a bathing suit.
That's a big thing.
Take it out. Some type of clothes. Donate. Open it up for Dad. Try it on, Dad. It's the dress for sure. Ooh, just your size, Dad.
2XL.
2XL.
Hell no. They're like Miss Doubtfire.
Hey, there you go.
For Mom.
Halloween.
It honestly doesn't. Let me see. Stand up. Show the people. Show the people. I didn't say try it on. Relax. Just show the camera so we can see what the heck it is. I like the color. I like the green.
That's definitely Mom's.
What
Okay.
do you think?
That's
All
definitely
right,
one.
toss the trash. You can stick it back in there.
Stick it back in there.
Trash. Next.
Put it next. Uno.
This one. I know what this one is.
Shoes.
This is like a return too. Look, they taped that up. Let's hope they didn't stick their dirty old shoes in it, right?
Probably.
Kept the good ones and stuck the nasty ones in it.
Very cool.
Oh, some Yeezys? Wow. Okay, there you go.
This is what Dad just got. Where's my thing,
Like
Dad?
Daniel's shoes.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same. What size are they?
They're like the Peters.
The big 5 fish.
It's okay, baby. You can leave that in there. Let's put them in the bag here.
Mom, can I do the Peters?
Courtesy of Timu, probably. Or she.
Oh, show the camera. The shoes.
Mom, they can't see.
Yeah, they can.
All right. Next.
Next.
Sissy
Next.
wants to do the pink
The pink
package.
package.
Yeah.
Epic.
Mm-hmm.
Just open it from
Rip it up.
No,
Rip
keep
it.
ripping this way.
Yeah, come on.
There you go. Open one more.
You take one half after the other. Rip it. Ah, there you go.
here.
Shake
There
it out,
you go.
Mama.
There you go. Wow.
Oh, shit.
A purse, dude?
Open it up. Let's see. What brand is this?
Louis Vuitton?
Dress Barn. I
Mom's?
think I've heard of that.
Mom's?
Have you?
Mom's? Where's my thing at?
What thing?
Where's hers?
Let me see. Where is this?
Mom,
Oh, okay. I was like, oh, they ruined it with that stitch. It's actually kind of nice.
Mom, oh.
I kind of dig it. I don't know about like this red. The red, honestly, the color's not horrible.
It's not bad. Take my shirt.
Showed him.
Show the camera.
Mom, don't take it.
I know.
Show the camera.
Show the camera. Have camera.
What is it? What is it? You see
Purse.
Look.
Purse.
Purse.
Puss.
What color is it?
Red.
Just let him say it, Mama.
Red.
In
Good
Spanish.
job.
What about in Spanish? Español.
Rojo. Purse.
Rojo.
Rojo.
Good job, baby.
Yes.
Dress barn.
Tomato.
Oh my goodness.
Tomato.
It retails for $29.
Next.
Next, okay, grab one.
Everyone, Papa.
Thank you, baby. Another return. They give us a lot of returns.
Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you.
Tomato. Show camera.
I want to open
Tomato.
This one has tape. This one will be hard. Here's the scissors.
Like, come here.
It's all taped up.
Tomato. Wait, scissors. Scissors. Wait.
Take it out. Something camouflage.
An empty bag.
Have something for you, Dad. I don't know what size
bag?
it is. It's not a bag.
It's all I see is a bag.
It's a shirt.
I don't see a shirt in that bag.
Oh, you're done. Oh my gosh. Punch you.
No.
There's nothing in there.
Show tomato.
Trousers.
Show tomato.
Trousers? Is
Show
this like a
tomato.
jumpsuit? He's trying. His big old forehead.
Here, show. These is not.
Who's that?
For you, Dad.
Here, Papa. Papa, come here.
It's like
I
kind
want
of cool.
Papa,
I don't know.
come here.
I'll fix
Come here.
something.
Okay. Bring
Ready
tomato.
to lights up.
Wait, we gotta open this one.
Oh, let me show them.
Mom, next.
Next, let me show them.
No, wait.
This one. And it says, it's still
Mom,
recording.
next.
And it says, cup sheet.
Mom, next.
And there's a picture of a lady in a bikini in it. So,
Interesting.
I think it may be a bikini. Hold on. Let Sissy do this one. Look.
My glasses. These lenses.
Mom, next. Mom, next.
Okay, hold on. Sissy's trying to open this one. This, I think I know what this is too.
What?
I can feel already. Sit down.
More mask?
You should put it down more. They can't even see it. Right there. Don't cut my head off. What are you doing?
Recording
Down a
it.
little bit. Where are you going?
Next. Next. This is for Mom.
Ah!
Oh.
Told you.
What is that?
It's a freaking bathing suit.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Oh, what is Mom? You still
Hold on,
Little
hold
one.
on.
Go lower. Where you
It's
coming?
like small. Nice size. Okay, so we got a bathing suit. It's actually
Okay.
kind of nice. It's a one piece though.
I want to do this one. This one.
Here, this one.
Uh,
Put this one first.
You guys are all over the place.
Okay. Now we're gonna open.
That one.
What?
What is that one?
I do not know. Mom's gonna cut it for us. Okay, just wait.
It's so much easier when you have scissors.
Pull it out.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my god.
I have a bunch of those.
Now you have a white one. Oh my
No.
god.
This one's so weird.
Yeah, that's like a cheap one. That's cheap for sure. It's like teeny stuff.
You have so many.
That is hilarious. Ow, my boob. Oh, my boob.
Oh,
Hi, pinching my thigh.
yay! Hi.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, this one has like padding on it or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, it's like way.
He got shoulder
Oh
fan.
yeah, you can just see the stability in those. compared to all this.
What our dad got.
Now you have one.
What?
Now you can match with
Yeah.
Dad. Oh, let him see. Let him
See
see.
that one versus this one.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
This one doesn't even fit me,
Hey! Yeah.
and I don't like it.
It fits you. Look at that.
Likes it. Oh yeah, it does fit you.
Okay. What do you have?
Oh, I have a hat too though?
This is, I don't know, pull it out. It's gonna be like tights or
For who?
A wig.
something girly. Oh my lord.
It's a weave.
Hair extensions.
Oh, it's hair
and things.
extensions.
For who?
For anybody.
Hi. So pretty. Hi. Hi.
Hair extensions. Well, that's so weird. That's so okay, so we're down to the last
The last hurrah.
package. And we got nothing good. Besides the purse.
I think getting masked. Wait.
Oh,
Go too soon.
I know, right? All you, Dad, open it. Something so little.
Get masked.
Okay.
It'd be so bling.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. And it's not good.
Show the
Oh
camera.
wow.
Show camera.
It's toothbrush thing. Toothbrush thingies.
Really? You never showed me.
We need to buy toothbrush now.
Oh, interesting.
Wait.
Maybe they're
Yeah.
meant for what age?
No.
What?
No!
Have fun.
Eliza.
No. Top. No, she's picture. Dada.
Okay, so let's do. It actually looks kind of funny. I don't think I've ever seen you wearing
Stay right there.
camo. Sit so we can see better because it's not good.
Oh wait, hold up. It's a floating head.
Alright, now fire.
Oh my
gosh.
god.
What are you doing? Get up. Get up, let me check your head. Come on. What are you crying for, Bone?